Hi students, today we will learn lesson number 18, words. So what are the words means? Children, can you tell some words? Yeah, words can be like any word like paper, pen, pencil, bird, dog, bottle. Okay, all these are words. How words are formed? When the letters come together, it becomes a word, and that word has to be proper. So when the letters are put together, a word is formed. Okay, and that word has meaning. It cannot be a wrong word. Okay, just putting letters together does not make a word, but it need to have a meaning. Okay, so here are animals and their sounds. Read the sounds different animals make. So here there are words that is of animals and their sounds. So cat. What sound does a cat make? Cat makes a sound of meow. Chicken, cluck. Goose, honk. Duck, quack. Donkey, hee-haw. Dog, woof. Rabbit, squeak. Bird, chirp. Bee, buzz. Okay, so say it again. The name of the animals and their sounds. Cat, meow. Chicken, cluck. Goose, honk. Duck, quack. Donkey, hee-haw. Dog, woof. Rabbit, squeak. Bird, chirp. Bee, buzz. So here you have the exercise. Match the animals with their sounds. So here are the animals given, and in between the line which is there in this box are their sounds. Okay, so cat, meow. Okay, then hen, cluck. Bird, chirp. Lion, roar. Snake, hiss. Duck, quack. Bee, buzz. Dog, buck. Frog, croak. Horse, neigh. Okay, you have to learn the names of the animals and their sounds. Then next you have is animals and their young ones. So animals and their young ones. How we have humans, and the humans small ones are called as kids, okay, or baby, like that. There are for animals, children also, there are small ones also, there is separate name. So this side there are adults and this side there are young ones. Now first, bear, cub. So the bear is a mother cow, mother bear, okay, it is a adult. And the cub is the small baby of the bear is called as cub. Okay, so the small baby of the bear is called as cub. Then next is cat. The baby of the cat is called as kitten. Okay, so the baby of the cat is called as kitten. Then you have hen. The baby of the hen is called as chick. Then cow, calf. Dog, puppy. Duck, duckling. Horse, foal. Okay, say it once again. Bear, cub, cat, kitten, hen, chick, cow, calf, dog, puppy, duck, duckling, horse, foal. Then second exercise you have is match the animals with the young ones. Okay, now match the animals with their young ones. Now you have to match here. So dog, you have the dog is puppy. Puppy. Then lion, you have cub. Then cat, kitten. Duck, duckling. Hen, chick. goat, kid, sheep, lamb. Okay, so the small one of dog is called as puppy, lion, cub, cat, kitten, dog, duckling, hen, chick, goat, kid, sheep, lamb. Now turn the page. Animals and their homes. So as we have house to stay at home, where do we live? We don't, human beings or people don't live on a tree or in a hole, but human beings live in a house. In the same way, the animals have their own houses. So let us now see some of the animals and their houses. Where do animals live? Birds make nests with straws, twigs, leaves, cotton. So here birds. You can see different types of birds doing their nest in a different way. Okay. They use straws, twigs, leaves, cotton, etc. to prepare their house, that is nest. A rabbit digs burrows to live in. So a rabbit digs like a hole and makes a burrow to stay inside, safe. Okay, when they are in their house, they are safe, they feel happy. A mouse digs holes. So where does the mouse stay? A mouse stays in a hole. A mouse digs and stays in a hole. A spider spins a cobweb. So where does the spider stay? A spider stays in a cobweb. This you all must have seen in your houses. Mostly the spiders do in our houses, no? In the corners, on the roof, they make their house, that is called as cobweb. Honeybees make hives. So honeybee, they make a hive like small holes types. They make their hives on a tree. A lion lives in a den. So that is a big rock type and there is a hole for that, and the animal lives. A lion lives in a den. A snake lives in a hole. So you know the snake lives in a hole. So where do the birds stay? Birds stay in a nest. Rabbit burrows. Mouse holes. Spider cobweb. Honeybee stays in a hive. Lion in a den. And snake in a hole. We make homes for domestic animals. So there are domestic animals at home where we take care, where we admire, where we give time for them. So we make sheds for cows. Okay, there are shades made for cows like this. This is the house of a cow. Then kennels for dogs. So this is the house of a dogs, like kennels. Small house. Stables for horses. This is the house of horse. Aquariums for fish. Okay, here. At home, if you want to keep fish, how is it possible? Yes, small aquariums where in that there is water, some leaves, some stones are kept for the fishes to move around and to play with. Then coops for hen. Hen stay in the coops. Pens for sheep. Okay, sheep stays in a pen. Now say it again. Shades for cows, kennels for dogs, stables for horses, aquariums for fish, coops for hen, pens for sheep. Now match the animals with their homes. So where does the cow stays? Cow stays in a shed. Here, cow stays in a shed. The lion stays in a den. Rat stays or mouse stays in a hole. Then, dog stays in a kennel. Cat stays in a basket. Fish stays in the aquarium and the bird stays in the nest. Okay, now say it again. Cow stays in the shed. Lion stays in the den. Mouse stays in the hole. Dog stays in the kennels. Cat stays in the basket. Fish stays in the aquarium. And the bird stays in the nest. Okay. Now, you complete these exercises in your textbook, children, and go through this lesson number 18, and read it and learn the names of the animals and their sounds and their little ones, the little young ones of the animals, and their homes. Where do they stay? Their homes. You study at home and complete your books. Bye.